All right, y'all. Bitcoin is currently testing a very important support, an extremely important support. And I would say that the level Bitcoin is testing right now is going to determine the price action in the coming week. I'd say the next coming days and the next coming weeks. And the level is right here about 30,300 give or take. I'm sorry. Yeah, 30,300 give or take. Let me see if I can turn on a line right here. Boom. And why is this such a significant level? Well, to me, this is really the floor that is keeping us in the bigger range that we've been in since really May 19th, when we lost 42K, a very significant level, 42K. This is the high of the January range up here. Once Elon Musk sent us in a Tesla rocket ship to the moon, okay? Well, actually, he sent us to the Earth. He sent us to the Earth. This was the Earth up here, and the moon was in orbit, okay? So what happened was Elon Musk was already on the moon. He sent us back to the Earth. What happened was he tried to launch us again to the moon, but by the time he got the rocket ship built, the moon had come in a complete orbit all the way to the other side here. So what happened is we are now back trading within the range that we were trading in January, and 30K, give or take, is the floor. It has been the floor. We have not been able to close a candle below there. And lately we've been just trading with such low volume down at this support. And not only that, but we can see that if we take like a parallel channel, we've been trading within a parallel channel, putting in lower highs and lower lows. And so right now we're coming to that very critical level of support. And if we put on this these miscellaneous levels of support and resistance that I have marked on my chart here, we can see if I turn some of these things off. Let me turn off this, let me turn off that, let me turn off this, and that. This blue box of support is an extremely important box of support, and that's why we're currently getting a bounce off of here. In fact, I'm currently in a long position. This is a long trade that I posted in the Discord this morning, where basically I was looking to see, okay, I want to see us come to the 786 and that daily level, and look for a chicken drinking water type bounce with bullish divergences on Market Cipher, right? With clear bullish divergences on Market Cipher. This is the rough setup that I was looking for as we came down to that level. We come down to the level, and look, we get a super nice bounce. If we take a look at what Market Cipher was telling us at the time, we come to the 9-minute, and we can see that on the 9-minute, the divergences are not very clear, but we do see momentum coming up. If we come to the 5-minute, this is where the divergences became very clear, which is why I decided to take the entry, where we can see that as we're coming down to this very significant level, it's a level we already knew in advance was going to be a level. Why? Because we did our technical analysis. We determined this was a Fibonacci level. This was a daily level of support right here. Very likely for price to have a reaction, right? And so we come down here. We do have a bullish divergence on the lower time frames, right? Where we can see as price is coming to our exact level, momentum is coming up. Money flow is curving up. We can see money coming into the asset as we're getting this dump. And, I was live on Crypto Face's stream this morning. People were mocking me, literally mocking me and unsubscribing to my channel because I said I was looking to long, which is funny to me because here's the thing, guys. If Market Cipher is giving you a signal and you have your levels marked out, why not take that dang trade, even if we're dumping, even if this is a bear market? Why not take a long in a downtrend if we can make the gains, right? This trade I'm currently in now is up, over almost 2%, little bounce right here. And again, these are the kinds of trades you can get if you just do some basic technical analysis and use Market Cipher and listen to the signals it's giving you. And if anybody wants to learn this stuff and you don't know technical analysis, you don't know how to mark levels on a chart, you don't know how to look for buy signals or sell signals on Market Cipher, check out jasoncaspertrading.com, because this course will walk you through step by step everything you need to know in order to become a confident trader. You can check out the testimonials. A lot of people are getting a lot of help from this course. Trading is changing the way people trade. We assume you've never even looked at a chart before. We go through technical analysis, how to use support and resistance, how to use trend lines, channels, moving averages, finding confluence, Fibonacci retracements, extensions, trading patterns, setting take profit levels, stop losses, how to use Market Cipher, risk management. Basically, this will equip you with everything you need to at least not keep losing money. Risk management, finding high probability setups. This will put you off on the right foot. There's a discount in the description of the video. Also, if you do not have Market Cipher and you would like it, there's also a 10% discount in the description of this video. But yes, guys, the chickens are drinking water, as we can see here, for a pretty nice move to the upside. All in all, of course, my exact entry, I don't know, almost a 2% move right there. Yeah, so what is going to happen now? Either we are going to continue up from here and reject off of resistances that are above us, and we do have some pretty intense resistances that are above us. First of all, 31K is a resistance, right? 31K itself is a resistance. We have, if we turn on some of our levels here, you know, we have a daily level in this 31K area. We have a fib level up here. In fact, if we just pull our fib from this swing high to the swing low here, we can see that. You know, we even do have some fib resistances coming up. You know, 31.15 is our nearest resistance. So if we can come above some of these resistances, then I think we're going to see more upward movement. And there's a lot of resistance above us, guys. There is a lot of resistance above us. So be aware of those levels so that you could potentially look to enter a short trade. What's happening now is because we're getting a retracement and downtrend, it will give us an opportunity to potentially enter a short trade. You know, what are we going to be looking for to enter short from this retracement? Well, we're going to be looking for bearish divergences on Market Cipher. Right now, we don't see any, not even on the 1 minute time frame. But if we do start to put in higher highs, especially if we're coming up to some of these resistances, and momentum puts in a lower high like this, you know, that would signal to you, okay, we're going to come back down. And if we lose 30K, then I think we could potentially come down much lower. And I have my support levels beneath me that I'm looking to target. But, you know, personally would not just short because we lose 30K. I would want to wait for some kind of a retracement, because I don't like to short supports. I like to wait for supports to maybe flip into resistance. So for example, you know, if we have a level of support down here, and let's say we dump all the way down, right, I would want to see us come and back test this previous support, showing that that support has been flipped into resistance, and that's where I would want to enter my short position. Because the danger you run shorting just a breakdown of support is, how do you know you didn't just short the bottom? At least that's the problem I have. I know people like CryptoFace can do it. Personally, I've had trouble doing it. So it's just my style of trading. But yeah, this is where I'm currently at right now, y'all. I'm currently in a long position. I'm still in a short position from yesterday. The short that I took, let's see if I can find it. Let's see, right here, where I was in the the VIP Discord, and basically when we got the rejection off the 618 at about 31.9, you know, we got the bearish div, and I took that short there. So it was I just meant to scalp it, didn't realize we were going to come down so far. Didn't have time to post it in the trade setups, but you know, if you were in the group there, you know I'm short. And so yeah, that's what's currently happening. So anyway, guys, that's my quick update for today. May God bless all of you in Jesus' name. And Lord willing, I will be live streaming starting tomorrow morning. So peace, y'all. Peace.